The very first example related to the correlation coefficient and lines of regression. As I have told you before also that examples to correlation coefficient or related or connected with correlation coefficient are not only restricted to R, but simultaneously in the same example you will be asked to calculate the lines of regression. Now all of you are well aware that lines of regression are in two types. One of the category is line of regression y on x, another category is line of regression x on y. So see the language of the example or the question. Find the correlation coefficient and equations of regression lines from the following data. So we will be provided with the values of x as well as y. Depending on the values of x as well as y, we will be drawing the table and the requisite quantities will be calculated as per the requirement of the formula. So for the formula of the correlation coefficient or Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient, which is denoted by small r, and it is equal to summation capital xy upon under root of summation capital x square into summation capital y square. Its value can lie between -1 to 1. So we will be having with the table provided to us for the values of x as well as y. So I have the values of x as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Values of y as 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. Correlation coefficient between the two variables x and y is given by r is equal to summation xy upon under root of summation x square into summation y square. But I know capital X is nothing but x minus x bar, capital Y is nothing but y minus y bar. These are nothing but the deviations from their mean. X bar and y bar represent the mean. So how to calculate the mean? Mean x bar is nothing but summation x upon n. What is number of observation over here? N is equal to 5. Add this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is giving you 15 by 5. So for n is equal to 5, x bar is nothing but summation x upon n, which is 15 by 5, and it is equal to 3. Similarly, I calculate the value for y bar. What is y bar? Y bar is summation y upon n. Take sum of all the values of y and divide it by number of observations, that is 5. So 25 by 5 will be equal to 5. So what is x? It is x minus x bar, which is x minus 3. And what is y? Y means y minus y bar, which is y minus 5. So this all calculations are to be shown in the table. So various calculations are given in the following table. These are the given values for correspondingly x as well as y. Now our capital X will be calculated as x minus 3. Subtract mean x bar, which is 3, from each observation. So 1 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 5 minus 3. Similarly, subtract y bar from each observation y. What is y bar? Y bar is 5. So capital Y will be calculated as y, which is capital Y will be calculated as y minus y bar. Subtract 5 from each observation. 2 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 7 minus 5. But now I am interested in taking the product of x and y. Unless and until we calculate capital X and capital Y, we cannot get the product. So take the product xy, take the summation xy, calculate x square, take summation x square, calculate y square, take summation y square. So as per the requirement of the formula, all the values are made available. So r is equal to 13 upon under root of 10 into 26, and that comes out to be 0.806. So r is equal to 0.806. Positive sign indicates that there is a positive correlation between the variables x as well as y. Is this point clear to everybody? Next, in association with the problem or with the extension of the correlation coefficient, I will be now finding down the regression line. Now we know that there are two different categories of regression line. One of the category is regression line y on x, other category is regression line x on y. So equation of line of regression y on x is y minus y bar is equal to summation xy upon summation x square multiplied by x minus x bar. Purposely I will be using this form because I am having the values of summation xy as well as summation x square. The another formula for calculation of line of regression is in terms of standard deviation. So this particular coefficient is called regression coefficient, which is summation xy upon summation x square, which is r into summation sigma y upon sigma x. But this is available only when we are calculating the variance or standard deviation. Here in this case, I have the values of summation xy, I have the values of summation x square, I have the values of summation y square. So intentionally I will be using or going ahead with the formula for line of regression y on x as y minus y bar is equal to summation xy upon summation x square multiplied by x minus x bar. Now all the values are available. Y bar is 5, summation xy is 13, summation x square is 10, and it is x minus x bar, which is 3. 13 by 10 is 1.3. So y minus 5 is equal to 1.3x minus 3.9. 1.3 into 3 will be 3.9, opening the bracket. Add this 5 on the other side. So it is 1.3x plus 1.1. So whenever we have the line of regression y on x, it will be expressed as y in terms of x and constant on the other side. On the contrary, equation of line of regression x on y, the formula is x minus x bar is equal to summation xy upon summation y square. As we know that it is y minus y bar, in the denominator it will be summation y square, and numerator is common, which is summation xy. All the values are available with us. Open the bracket, you get the answer. This minus 3 will be added on the right hand side. So plus 3 minus 2.5 will be positive 0.5, and this is 0.5 y. 13 by 26 means 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 means 0.5. So what is the line of regression x on y? It is expressed as x in terms of y and constant. So x is equal to 0.5 y plus 0.5. So this is how we try to calculate the correlation coefficient as well as lines of regression x on y, y on x for the given table. What is the given table? Given table is this particular values of x and y. Number of observations in this case were n, and appropriately we try to find out the value. So this is the very first example related to the regression coefficient, lines of regression as well as finding out correlation coefficient. Now the second example, find the coefficient of correlation and obtain the equations of lines of regression for the data. What is the data provided? Values of x and y. Number of observations n is equal to 5. So what is the formula for correlation coefficient? Formula for correlation coefficient between two variables x and y is r is equal to summation xy upon under root of summation x square into summation y square. What is capital X? Deviation from mean x bar. What is capital Y? Deviation from mean y bar. So capital X is x minus x bar. Capital Y is y minus y bar. So appropriately we try to find out the value. What is n? N is equal to 5. Summation x upon n will be 6. So it is x minus 6. Summation y upon n. 40 by 5 is 8. So what is capital Y? Y minus 8. So for this particular set of observations, we will be calculating the column capital X. We will be calculating the column capital Y, product xy, sum x square, the column for x square, the column for y square. In turn, in the bottom row, we calculate summation xy, we calculate summation x square, we calculate summation y square. So accordingly, R will be minus 26 upon under root of 40 into 20. So in this case, or in this problem, we are having the negative sign as it is, and therefore we conclude that R is equal to negative. Always it will never exceed unity 1. So what is value for R? Value for R coming out as minus 0.9192. So it lies on the negative side, and I can say that there is a negative correlation. The other expected part is to find out equation of lines of regression. So what are the formulae? What is the formula for the calculation of lines of regression? Equation of line of regression y on x will be y minus y bar is equal to summation xy upon summation x square into x minus x bar. Except x and y, all other values are known, which are constants. So I substitute the values for y bar, x bar, summation xy, summation x square. So I am getting down the answer as y in terms of x, and therefore this particular line is called as line of regression y on x. So it is y is equal to minus 0.65x plus 11.9. Minus 0.65 is less than 1. This is particularly going to be the regression coefficient for the line y on x. Here you see one of the regression coefficient for the line x on y, which is minus 1.3, is greater than unity, and that is how we try to identify when the lines of regression are given, what are the regression coefficients. So second line of regression, what we are asked to calculate is equation of line of regression x on y given by x minus x bar is equal to summation xy upon summation y square multiplied by y minus y bar. All the values are known to you, so we substitute x minus 6 is equal to minus 26 upon 20 into y minus 8. So this is how we try to find out the value as x is equal to minus 1.3y plus 16.4. So that is how we calculate the correlation coefficient and simultaneously the regression lines or lines of regression categorized as y on x and x on y. So from the calculator, it becomes very easy to find out the values from the given set of data available with us. The another example in which we have to calculate the correlation coefficient and hence equation of lines of regression. Here number of observations are a bit large. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So value for n is equal to 9. Total number of observations are 9. So correlation coefficient given for the variables x and y, formula is r is equal to summation xy upon summation x square into summation y square in the under root side. X is equal to x minus x bar, y is equal to y minus y bar. As we saw, total number of observations are 9. So n is equal to 9. We get value for x bar, we get value for y bar. X minus x bar is x minus 5. Y minus y bar is y minus 12. So I get the value of capital X, capital Y. So the various calculations are given in the following table. These are the values for x as well as y given in the question. I calculated the column for x, I calculated column for y, product xy, value x square, value y square, take the summation. Summation xy is this, summation x square, summation y square. Putting all this in the formula, r is equal to 57 upon under root of 60 into 60. Value comes out to be 0.95. So value for r is 0.95, positive value, less than 1, positive correlation. Next part, the lines of regression. The lines of regression to be calculated for y on x in the pattern y minus y bar is equal to summation xy upon summation x square multiplied by x minus x bar. Put the requisite values, get the answer. Your answer in this case comes out to be y is equal to 0.95 into x plus 7.25. Line of regression x on y with the formula x minus x bar is equal to summation xy upon summation y square into y minus y bar. Open the bracket. X is expressed in terms of y, and therefore that particular line will be called as line of regression x on y. Open the bracket by proper multiplication. In this case, if you write down the answer in the terms of fraction, it is better, or else convert them into decimal. Writing down the equation in the decimal is more easier task, right? Instead of carrying it with the help of fraction. So these